Hi, welcome to DelphStack. Today, we will show you how to fix the Windows Defender error code. This error can stop your antivirus from working properly, but there are a few easy steps you can try to solve it. First, restart your computer. Sometimes Windows Defender shows errors because of temporary glitches. Restarting your PC can clear these problems and let Defender work normally again. Next, check if you have any other antivirus software installed. Programs like Avast, Norton, or McAfee can conflict with Windows Defender. If you do, try disabling them or uninstalling them completely. After that, check Defender again to see if the error is gone. Another important step is to run a system scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can do this by searching for CMD, right-clicking on Command Prompt, and choosing Run as Administrator. Then type SFC, scannow, and press Enter. This command checks your system files and repairs any problems that could cause errors in Windows Defender. Finally, make sure your Windows is up to date. Open Windows Update and check for any pending updates. Installing updates, especially for Windows Defender definitions, can fix many errors. If you follow these steps, you should be able to fix the error and get Windows Defender working again. Thanks for watching.